Look at this picture. It shows a Victorian family, a family that lived during the reign of Queen Victoria in Britain, 1837-1901. There were several classes a family could belong to. This is an upper-class family, as they are wearing good clothes and appear to be posing inside their own house. They are dressed in their best clothes because in Victorian times having your picture taken was an important event. The man in the middle seems to be the head of the household, as he is older than the rest of the family, and he is the only man who sat down.